King Faisal of Saudi Arabia emerged as a pivotal figure in the nation's history, ascending to the throne in 1964 during a period of significant change. Known for his strong sense of principle and commitment to modernization, Faisal played a central role in shaping Saudi Arabia's domestic and foreign policies. His leadership extended beyond his own country, earning him widespread respect throughout the Arab world. Faisal's efforts to promote unity and advocate for Arab interests solidified his reputation as an influential and visionary leader. In the years leading up to the 1973 oil embargo, the Middle East was a region marked by intense geopolitical tensions. The Arab-Israeli conflict had escalated through several wars, with deep-seated disputes over territory and national identity. The United States maintained strong support for Israel, providing military and economic assistance, which heightened animosity among Arab nations. As these tensions grew, Arab oil-producing countries began to see their energy resources as a powerful tool in international politics. This set the stage for the events of 1973, when the use of oil as leverage would dramatically reshape global relations. King Faisal of Saudi Arabia played a pivotal role in orchestrating the 1973 oil embargo. In response to Western support for Israel during the Yom Kippur War, Faisal led Arab oil producers in dramatically cutting oil exports to the United States and other allied nations. The embargo was executed through coordinated production reductions and shipping restrictions, sending shockwaves through global energy markets. As a result, oil prices quadrupled within months, causing severe economic disruptions in Western countries. The crisis highlighted the world's dependence on Middle Eastern oil and marked a turning point in international economic relations. King Faisal's meeting with President Nixon marked a turning point in US-Saudi relations. During their direct confrontation, Faisal did not hesitate to express his dissatisfaction with American support for Israel, making it clear that continued bias would have serious repercussions. He emphasized that Saudi Arabia was prepared to use its oil resources as leverage, warning that an energy embargo could destabilize global markets. This bold stance forced the United States to recognize the strategic importance of Middle Eastern oil and the influence wielded by Saudi leadership. Faisal's unwavering position demonstrated how oil could be used as a powerful diplomatic tool. On March the 25th, 1975, Saudi Arabia was shaken by the assassination of King Faisal. The king was meeting with the delegation at his palace in Riyadh when his nephew, Prince Faisal bin Musaid, approached him under the pretense of greeting. Without warning, the young prince drew a pistol and fatally shot King Faisal at close range. Prince Faisal bin Musaid had recently returned from studying in the United States and was known to have experienced personal and political frustrations. The shocking event stunned the nation and the world, abruptly ending the reign of a leader who had played a pivotal role in modernizing Saudi Arabia. Following the assassination of King Faisal in 1975, Saudi Arabia underwent a significant transformation in its foreign policy. The new leadership moved swiftly to strengthen ties with the United States, marking a departure from the confrontational stance that had characterized the oil embargo of the early 1970s. As a result, oil was no longer wielded as a geopolitical weapon, and the kingdom prioritized stability and economic development. This shift not only reassured international markets but also set the stage for a long-term strategic partnership between Saudi Arabia and the United States.